Justin here, back with another edition of 101 Vids, and today we're going to be teaching you guys how to make a green smoothie. Now you don't need to go and spend $700 on a blender. I went out and I spent $40 on this Oster here. Thing works perfect, and I get green smoothies, 2 to 3 green smoothies every single day. Let's just get right into it. Basically all you're going to need is just your blender. Have about 2 cups of water in there, purified water if possible. And have about a cup. I mean, I have more just because this is how I get my greens into me. But you want about a cup or so, maybe a little bit more of field greens, whatever. Any kind of green you want. You can use kale, collards, spinach, sky's the limit, right? And then for fruit, just make sure you get really ripe fruit because you want it to be as sweet as possible to cover up the taste of the greens if you're not really into them. That's kind of the whole point of having green smoothies, right? So that you can get the benefits of having the greens without having to really have the taste if you don't really like that type of thing. And I know a lot of people probably don't, right? It's not the most appetizing thing chewing on a green leaf. Anyway, I just got a pile of mango here. I got pineapple, lime, apple, and bananas. And I've also got a lime juicer, just to juice out the lime after. And the lime is good because it also cuts the taste of the greens and gives you a nice little vitamin C kick in there. We're just going to chop up the greens first, and once the greens are chopped down to a nice fine amount, then I'm going to start adding this fruit. I'm going to add the apple first because it's got the peeling on the outside, which is a little bit harder to chop, and then I'll add all the rest of the fruit to it. Okay, so now we got the greens chopped up fairly well, and I'm going to start adding my apple in there. That'll be the next thing. We'll get the skins all chopped, and then all the rest of the stuff can just go right in there, no problem at all. Alright, so my blender got a little bit more full than what I thought, so I left out a little bit of the mango and the banana, but that's okay. Just fit what you can in there. The very last thing we're going to do is just chuck this lime in there, and we'll be done. So just one more sec. Okay guys, I'm back, and I got my jars, and this pretty much fills 2 jars perfectly. So, there's one. And 2. And away you go. So that's it guys. How to make a green smoothie in under 10 minutes with a cheap $40 blender. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my vid. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. And see you guys next time.